Hey guys, I received my order today from AJ Lures, and to start out, we got the Spaz mouse. Really excited to try this bait out this spring. Look at that. I mean, the feel of this bait in my hands feels like it's gonna hold up, and you can tell a lot of work went into this mouse. Great detail. The eyes are painted, they're centered. The whiskers are really neat. I love the feather. The hooks feel real sharp. These are handcrafted, so these are handmade. Awesome bait. I can't wait to try it. And then there's also 3 sizes to this bait. One's 3/4 of an ounce, one's 1/2 ounce, and one's 1/4 of an ounce. And this color is a natural, I believe. Awesome bait. Cannot wait to try it. Big it comes in. They also have 3 other mouses or topwater baits on their website. One is Buzz the Mouse, and one is Muck the Mouse, and the other one is like a 5-inch. It's called the Bass Brat. It's like a spook, but looking forward to ordering some of those soon. Next we got the Bunker Lizard, and oh, it's a big bait here. Lunker Lizard, and this is in green with gold flake with a little bit of silver flake. What's really neat about this is you can customize your color. I mean, you can put, you have to check their website out. You can put basically any color and any flake that you want in it. So let's just get a better look at this if I can open the bag here. Oh. These are hand poured, and you can fish these top water. Texas rig with a weight, Texas rig, top water. You can put a bullet weight on there, assuming like a Texas rig. You can fish this really any way you want to. Look at that. Hand poured. Awesome. I fished with these this summer, and bass love them. Great bait. Definitely get one of these. Get a pack of these or 2 if you're going to be if you like to fish lizards, or if you like the top water action. Check these lizards out, the Lunker Lizards, and those are actually on sale. I don't know for how long, but on their website they're on sale for $3.99. And then these are the swim bait tails. Look at these. I am very, very excited to use these. I mean, look at that. I don't know what color this is, but you can see by the flake in them. It's gonna have a lot of action too. Nice tail right there. Good action. Just got 4 packs of those. I got a pack of those, and 4 came in it. So that kind of sums up my order, guys. Just a small little order. I will be getting more baits soon, but make sure you guys check out AJ Lures. The owner's a great guy. Puts a lot of work into his products, and just a really overall good company. And check the AJ Lures out. Thanks for watching.